All right, the next part in our estimation is to do the take off for the wiring. So let's review over here. The next part is to do the take off for the wiring. Okay, so how can you do the wiring and the conduit over here? So what I will do, I will go here and open the drawing over here. So for the for the wiring, we need to do the wiring for all of the drawing that have the lighting and also the fixtures as well. So first of all, I'm gonna go with the lighting over here, power system, lighting over here, system. Okay, so all of this one, click power. All right, open. So a lot of drawing. All right, so let's see our first drawing over here. Our first drawing over here. Let's see where this one go to. LPA. All right. So first of all, let's create the tool that you can use to do the takeoff for the wiring. How do you create a tool to do the takeoff for the wiring? So what I will do, I will go to measurement over here, and I'm gonna click on the polylink. No, not area, polylink, and I'm gonna draw just randomly the line over here. Oh, they asked us to pick for the scale, so we need to select the scale first. So this one is 1/4 inches to 1 feet. So 1/4 inches to 1 foot over here. Click apply. All right. So I'm gonna click on that and click enter. Okay. And now I will click select and click on uncheck the show segment value because I don't want to see a lot of text like that. That look very busy. So I'm gonna uncheck that, uncheck this one, show caption as well. And then let's make this one a little bit bigger. The line width, I'm gonna change to maybe like 5. The opacity, let's change to 50. Okay. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I will go to the tool chest over here, and then I will normally you're gonna see in your tool chest, you're gonna see a bunch of things like that. Okay, most of that one are the default tool chest, and you don't need to use for this tag off. So what I will do, I will uncheck everything over here. And then I'm gonna add my new tool chest, click add, and I'm gonna type electrical over here, click OK, and then click save. Yes, okay. And then I'm gonna change over here to detail over here. All right, so now I can right click over here to add that to my tool chest, click that to electrical over here. Normally this one in the property mode, that one in the drawing mode, and if you use this one immediately, you cannot draw anything. Instead of that, it will copy a bunch of figure like that. So what you need to do is that you can double click over here, then you can change that one to the drawing mode over here. Okay, so when you're in the drawing mode, then you can easily draw that. Okay, you see that? All right, so now after I have this one in the drawing mode, I need to name the size of the wire over here. To know the size of the wire, normally you will check on the legend page. For example, I will click here and I'm gonna open the legend page file, open, and let's say on the legend page, for example, like general node, over here to see what is the size of the wire. Normally you can see the size of the wire somewhere around here. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so you see some information over here. It say for 120 volt branch circuits, where the link of the circuit conductor complete from the circuit breaker to the source of panel, any device of circuit feed from the panel are to have number 12 minimum branch circuit wiring through the circuit over here. So number 12 is the minimum. Okay, and then we have number 12 over here. Okay, so if we have more than 100 feet, you can use number 10. Okay, and and over here you have the C, 3/4 inch C. That is the conduit. The conduit is 3/4 inch conduit over here. Okay. And there are a lot of information over here, but generally you can see over here is that they say under 100 feet you use number 12, around like 100 to 200 feet you can use number 10, and around above 200 feet you use number 8. Okay, so that is the general information they provide over here. Okay, so we can be a little bit flexible with that. So I'm gonna go back to the lighting that I have previously. Where is it? All right, over here, right here. All right, so I'm gonna do the tag off for that. So let's do with all of the circuit over here. So I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna name that one is number 12. They didn't specify how many conductors. So normally we use 3 number 12, which means 3 conductor. That is the typical typical conductor for a circuit. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, 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 here. The reason I use number 12 over here because this one is relatively short. This one is relatively short, so I'm gonna use number 12. Okay, and then you can click here. So now we're gonna do the home run. How can we do the home run over here? So this one is LPA 19, so which means that is the circuit 19, and it will go back to the LPA panel. Okay, so we need to look for the LPA panel over here. Let's see if we can find the LPA panel. So look like the LPA panel is not in this area. So I'm gonna go to see another drawing over here to see no panel here. All right, here I see the LPA panel right here. All right, in the room over here, that one is 108. Okay, 118. Okay, 118. You see the LPA panel. Okay. So let me zoom this one bigger so you can get a bigger idea of how the building look like. Okay, so this is the panel is right here, and then the lighting we have is about this one. Okay, so we know there is a home run from here all the way here. However, over here you cannot you cannot see that over here. Oh no, here, right here, you cannot simply go all the way here because there is no drawing over here. Okay, so it's impossible to do the home run over here. So how can you do that? So what you need to do is you need to go back here in this drawing, the big drawing over here, the big drawing over here, and then we do the tag off directly over here. So I'm gonna click the scale over here is 1 inches to 20 feet, 1 inches to 20 feet. Okay, apply scale, and then we know that there is a home run all the way from here to here. Oh, that one is very far. You see that one almost like 150 feet. So instead of use number 12, I'm gonna use number 10 over here. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate that, and I'm gonna use this one in number 10. Enter, and I'm gonna change the line over here to like blue green, and this one I'm gonna click from here to all the way here. Okay, and again, you don't have to be very accurate over here. You can just do the approximation. Okay, you just do the approximation. You don't need to be very accurate, never very straight line like that. Okay, but maybe make that more in the organized way. Okay, organized ways. Try to mimic the good practice of the electrician. Okay, instead of go directly here, and then later on, if you have something else, you have here to here, it can look very messy. Okay, it look very messy. So try to make it like if you have it over here, then try to make it like this. Okay, or make it like this. So it's more well organized way in the correct way that the electrician, the good electrician that they will do for the project. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna delete that. All right, let's try a couple more. So let's see, we do a couple more. So we're gonna do A2 over here, and this one is interesting. This one is also the 19 as well. So which means all of this one will connect to each other. Very easy. Okay. Oh, this one 19 as well. So this one we connect to this, and this one to this as well, and this one we connect here to this. Okay. Oh, here also 19 as well. So interesting, very interesting. So all of that one we connect to one single circuit. Let's see if we have anything else. That's good. Okay, so this one is another different one. That one is 47. So that one is the circuit 47. So I'm gonna do another wiring over here. Okay, from here it will connect here, and this one, oh, nothing connect to this one. Interesting. So then maybe they make a mistake over here, but this one should connect to this, and this one should connect here, okay. All right, so now we're gonna do the home run to LPA. Okay, so let's see where it go. LPA. Okay, so this one we go from here all the way to the LPA. So I'm gonna go back to the big drawing that I have previously, and this one around here. So I'm gonna do the home run from here. So this one may be under 100 feet. So I'm gonna use number 12. Okay, so from here to here, enter. Okay. So similar like that, you're gonna do the wiring for you do the wiring for all of the wiring over here in this apparatus bay over here, and then you do the wiring for the power line of the power the electrical fixtures over here as well. And then you do the wiring for the lighting over here, or the wiring for the lighting, and then do the wiring for the power over here as well. Okay, so you do the wiring for, make sure you do the wiring for all of the four drawing over here. Okay, so you have two um, two drawing for the apparatus, and two drawing for the living and admin wing over here. Okay, for the system over here, there's nothing related to the wiring, so maybe you can just skip that for this drawing. I allow you to skip this one for the system. Okay, all right, so do the all of the wiring. Let's say you have all of the wiring, and then now you can do is that you will create a legend for all of that. Right click over here, legend, and create new legend. I'm gonna put that one over here. Okay, and let's fill this one with white background and change this one to number 1, and I'm gonna put that one in grid line. Okay, and then for this one I'm gonna also create the legend over here. Okay, grid line number 1. Okay, and then at the end what you can do is that you can open the Excel. You can create one summary box over here, one summary box. You can put like 3 number 10. Oh, I have a better way. Okay, so let's see, at the end you have everything over here. I have a better way to do that. Okay, so you will let's say I save my tag up over here. I'm gonna save wiring tag up 1. Okay, and then over here, okay, over here, all right, so this one I'm gonna save that one as save this one wiring tag off 2. Okay, and then what I will do, I will merge the two file together. I'm gonna combine. Okay, I will add the tag up 1 and tag up 2 together. I will click here, click open, click here, add tag up 2 as well. Okay, and then I will combine the two drawing together. So now you see that page 1 I have this, page 2 I'm gonna have this one. Okay, so now instead of having the two separate legend over here, what I will do is that I'm gonna click on the markup tool over here, and then I will just select the whole thing on my markup tool. I will select the whole thing over here, Control A to select the whole thing, and I'm gonna click legend, create new legend, and then I'm gonna add it over here. So that way it will help me create a summary legend for all of the tool that I have over here. You see that all of the tool that I have right here. Grid line 1. Okay, so you see that I create a summary legend for everything, so I can have only one legend box instead of multiple legend box. Okay, you see that? All right, so I'm done with the wiring, and then the next thing I'm gonna go with the outlet.